Today, I'll be going through Topview AI's website and showing you some of the tools they offer. When you first sign in, this is what you see. On the left, there's a part called Inspire, which I really like. It shows you all of the latest hooks and trends they've analyzed that are doing well on TikTok. You can sort by category to view niche-specific topics. For example, in this video, they have divided the tag and text so you can see exactly how people create viral videos. Okay, let's head back to our dashboard because I want to show you something really cool. As you can see, Topview has a bunch of really cool tools that you can use. First, let's take a look at the avatar marketing video. From here, you can select any one of their high-quality avatars to make a video to promote your product with. I'm going to select this one right here, and I chose the selfie style because I felt like that would be the most engaging. Okay, next, all we need to do is paste in the product link, either from Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or whatever platform it's on. Just paste the link right here. I'm going to be using a sample link, so just wait for it to analyze the link, and then it will pop up with some of the videos and images from that link. This is where you can select or deselect all the content that you want to use or don't want to use. I decided to remove all the images because I wanted only videos in this particular case. In the end, I just used these two videos. Okay, once you've selected the media, just click on Continue. Over here, we can see that it has added all the information from the website link. If you want to change any of this, you can do it now, but I'm happy with it as is. Next, we can change the aspect ratio, keeping it at 9:16 for TikTok. Then we can change the language. As you can see, they provide a ton of languages. Next, you can manually choose the voice if you want. I'm happy to go with the one they recommend. Finally, if you want to change the avatar, you can do it right now. Then, hit Generate and wait a couple of minutes for your video to be generated. Alright, as you can see, we now have a video generated. This is the first video generated. You can see the script over here and the video preview on the right. Right now, the video is not lip-synced. It will only be lip-synced once we export it. Here is the second video they generated. They have the titles at the top showing how they are trying to market the product. Okay, let's export the video to see what it looks like. Click on Export, and then you will have two options to either export with the watermark or without one. For exports without watermarks, you need to upgrade to the starter plan. They have an offer where they give you 50% off for your first month, so it would only cost you $9.50. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and export the video. Just wait a few minutes, and just like that, you have a video to use to promote your product and hopefully go viral. Let's watch.
I gotta tell you about this shark vacuum. It picks up dirt like it's on a mission. Seriously, I don't even have to think about emptying it. The brush roll is a game changer for pet hair. It knows my space like the back of my hand, no kidding. If you have pets, this is the vacuum you need. I can control it with just my voice, so cool.
Okay, that was pretty awesome, but Topview AI has a ton of other features that will blow your mind. For example, the long video to shorts tool instantly creates many shorts for you to use from just a URL link. For example, it created these shorts of Elon Musk doing an interview and added subtitles automatically, all in just minutes. Just imagine all the time you would save. Let's watch one of the shorts.
Be extremely concerned about anything that undermines the First Amendment. There's a reason for the First Amendment.
That's pretty impressive. Okay, I'm heading back to the dashboard to look at the next AI tool, which is the photo talking avatar. Here, you can simply upload an image that you want to talk or use one of their pre-generated images. As you can see, they have all types of images ranging from art to photographs to graphics.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform
in the Kingdom of Elder Grove, the village of Thorn. Hello everyone.
Finally, I want to show you guys their AI voice generator because their library has a ton of voices that you can choose from, and what I like best is that they don't only work in English but many other languages. We can sort the voices by gender, age, and even style to generate high-quality voiceovers. Finally, guys, I just want to show you Topview AI's pricing plans because they're quite affordable in my opinion. You can get the starter plan for only $15 if you go with their yearly plan. This means you would get access to all of these amazing tools, including unlimited video previews, realistic AI avatars, and AI voices. And, of course, you won't have that annoying watermark on the generated videos. Thanks for watching, guys.